Sale checklist. The sales checklist is exactly that. It's a form for you to work alongside your deal. It helps you have all the information that's important for the deal in one single spot. You can find this on londonfoster.net under Office Manager, Forms and Contracts. And I'm going to show you a little bit about the basic information that's here. You're able to manipulate any of these forms, but this is basically what it is. You're going to have the contract information, what the property address is, the MLS, the folio, the listing price, the sale price, how much London Foster's agent is going to be making in percentage and how much in money, what the London Foster fee is going to be, and what your transaction fee is going to be. You're also going to have on the right hand side a list of the important dates, when the offer was made, when it became effective, in other words when it was countersigned, when it's closing, when the appraisal is, and when the escrow needs to be released. It also has all your deadlines. It has when your initial deposit deadline is, when your second deposit deadline is. It's going to have your condo docs, title evidence, condo application, inspection, loan period. All those dates and deadlines are going to be on there. It also is going to have all your contingencies, like your mortgage application due, your mortgage commitment due, the last day to cancel based on the condo docs, based on the inspection, and based on the loan approval period. You want to make sure you have all those dates clearly stated and ready for you to look at. And then it has a checklist of all the different documents you're going to need and any additional paperwork you're going to need. It also has, if you have a financial agent, if you're working with Joe Mahalati, obviously you're going to know who he is, but if you have, you can put his information in there. You also are going to be able to write in the listing broker and the buyer's broker, the seller's attorney and the buyer's attorney, the seller's title company and the buyer's title company, and this will all be available for you in one single place. So it's a great tool for you to print out, maybe include it in the inside of a manila folder so you can be updating it constantly or changing the dates. And it's always a good idea for you to email all the parties involved all of these dates and information. But it's a great little checklist for you to follow up with your contracts.